Commercial architects and interior designers want clean, seamless ceilings with a monolithic look, but these ceilings often have poor acoustics. This forces them to compromise, resulting in a disparity between the architect's initial vision and the final experience of the room. Architects have been asking for drywall with acoustical performance, but this has not been possible until now. Introducing the USG Ensemble Acoustical Drywall Ceiling. A breakthrough ceiling solution that combines the best in seamless design and acoustical performance. It features highly engineered USG sheetrock brand ensemble panels that install and finish similar to traditional drywall. Installed by certified contractors, the panels are screw-attached to a drywall suspension system. The joints are finished using USG sheetrock brand ensemble ceiling compound and then coated with USG ensemble spray applied finish to create a monolithic appearance. This patented finish is acoustically transparent, allowing sound to pass through the perforations, where it's absorbed by USG Ensemble high NRC backer panels. The result is a surface that delivers excellent acoustical performance and enhances the overall aesthetic. Perfect for high-profile spaces such as lobbies, workplace cafeterias, executive boardrooms, lecture halls, and museums. Ensemble is an industry game-changer. It means architects and designers no longer need to compromise between acoustics and aesthetics, unlocking new possibilities for what a ceiling can do.